These 5 earthquakes changed everything. Did you feel one of them? 1. Turkey, Kahramanmaraş, 2023. February 6, 2023. A 7.8 magnitude earthquake hit southern Turkey and Syria. Over 50,000 people died. 2. Nepal, 2015. April 25, 2015. Nepal was rocked by a 7.8 quake. Nearly 9,000 lives lost, countless homes destroyed. 3. Haiti, 2021. August 14, 2021. A 7.2 earthquake devastated southern Haiti. Over 2,000 killed, hospitals collapsed. 4. Japan, Tohoku, 2011. March 11, 2011. A massive 9.1 quake struck Japan. It triggered a tsunami and nuclear disaster. 5. Ecuador, 2016. April 16, 2016. Ecuador faced a 7.8 quake. Over 600 lives lost, cities turned to rubble. Have you ever felt an earthquake? Tell us your story in the comments.